memories, like from the start before.
Gonna get some crab, Dungeness crab from this. That's really good one.
Yeah. Alright, you guys got meat, so just have to. It's a dog park, right? What are we gonna do?
Burger maybe.
Oh yeah, no burger.
Oh my god, that's it.
We said we're blocking the camera. Oh my god, there's a lot of books.
Let's go. Come on, boys. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Ew, we have lots of gas here.
Naamoy nila yung ano? Burger. Yung chicken.
Oh, one dog touched me. Oh my
You
god.
said you're blocking the camera.
The burger
Come here.
tinamoy na. The burger.
Yung burger, tinamoy na?
Yeah.
Ang healthy lang yan.
Maybe the burger.
Oh my god. So cute. Oh my god.
I like the burger.
Masarap kasi ako. Ganun ako masarap. Pati aso. Naamoy nila yung sarap ko. Diba? So ito yung ginagamit namin guys pang trap ng crabs. Ito. Tapos lagyan namin ng chicken legs. Yan yung kita. Turkey legs dito sa loob. And then ihagis lang namin dun sa may lake.
Palapal.
Palapal. We call it palapal. Yan. This is it. Pansit. Oh my god, still frozen. Look at that! Yeah. Ito yun. Where's the knife? Kailangan nating hiwain kasi frozen pa yung nakuha namin na apan. Ito, nyo, frozen ka, matigas. Kaya talo. Benas. Tara, talo nga pa lang guys. Tara, may makulit ng crabs. Lang, baba tayo kasi. Ito. Saan kaya ito itatali? Baba tayo. Hirap pala dito baka malaglag ako Or baka doon na lang kaya dito Doon. Ito yan niya. Yan ako. One. Two. Mahina It's okay. Okay na yun. Maghintay tayo ng mga 5 to 10 minutes. Yun. Tara.
Time goes so fast and sometimes so does life. I'd let you go, but my darling, you fit right, and I'm in love. I hope I cross your path another time. I took a chance and it left me paralyzed. A year without you was as lethal as a knife, and I'm terrified. I'm back to being me without a breath. I love, wait for me.
Hey buddy.
I love, please don't forget me. When I returned, I could barely sleep at night. An empty bed and a teardrop in my eye. Later that day, the kerosene would meet the naked flame. I tried my luck and I took you to one side. confess my love and how it almost cost my life. I'd give it all for just another late night on the Grove. I'll away from me. Oh, I love, please don't set me free. Oh, I love, my love follow me.
So guys, hilahin na namin yung ano, ang tawag dyan pa? Crab trap. Let's see kung may nahuli tayong crabs. Kung wala, edi malas. Kung meron, edi masaya. Mayroon tayong pagkain. Ay, wala. Guys, wala nahuli. Wala tayong nahuli. Hindi ba natin malapit na? Isay. Hindi kami sa kabila. Doon sa may puti sa sabit pa. Animal. Tara. Ito. Lumipat kami ng ano guys, ng pwesto kasi doon sa kabila mabato. Ito tayo sa may deck. Maghagis ng palapal. So, take it ita.
Okay. You go. And then I will take 1, 2. Hindi adayo achadi. Nate. Lagi doon nakuha ni Lolo. There you go.
Ang dami na nagkakrabing guys, oh. Tingnan nyo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nasa 70 kami dito ngayon. 70. Vlog ka, Vincent? Parang mo ron.
Mommy,
Let's go guys. Tignan natin kung meron tayong nahuli. Kung
Nasaan
dito na
yung mic mo?
Patis tayo.
Nasaan yung mic mo?
Okay. Ito lang mic.
Okay.
Sana meron tayong
Ngayon,
napuli.
ginalo kay ni Lolo.
Let's go.
Let's go,
3,
the moment of truth.
2, 1.
Yan na. Mabigat?
Medyo.
Oh, mayroon siyang nakuha.
Wala.
Ha?
Wala.
Wala, meron. Oh, isa.
Meron tayong nahuling isa.
Babae. Hindi
Babae ba?
pwede.
Babae?
Eh.
Pwedeng babae dito guys. Kaya,
Bawal kumuha ng babae dito.
balik
Kaya
natin.
babalik natin.
Vincent,
Meron siya.
Vincent, dami.
Uy, Vincent, ayan na.
Tina, sige, ilahin mo pa. Diba, ilahin mo. Ang dami ah. Sabit.
Nagsumabit.
Sumabit kaya pala hirap pa.
Awanan anak. Antay maalan. May nakuha?
Sige, ilahin mo. Meron, malaki. Ang laki. Go.
No, nothing. It's covering.
Yeah.
I only got one crab, but it's so small. Isa, dua, look.
Uy.
Where's it?
Okay. And let's see kung meron naman tayong mahuhuli.
Wait on me. Ada.
They took our bait.
I got one and he lost. Let's go back to the camp.
Nakuha. Kinain na nila. Wala tayong nahuli. Kasi kinain yung natin, apan. Wala na tayong apan. Ayok. Nakas ko na ito trapin kasi wala na yung wala na yung yung turkey leg. Nahulog. Maybe nahulog or kinain na ng crabs. Yung isa na lang, at least meron pa kaming isa na naiwan dun. Diba? Saya no?
Special delivery, the
Special
cooker,
delivery.
and the backpack.
Coffee time.
Take it
Then
before I will
we
leave.
also have here money.
Taras mo, tanga.
Coffee.
Coffee, yeah. Coffee is love.
Sugar.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar, yeah. It's
The cream.
the cream.
Powder addition.
And we also have here extra.
Water.
Water. Very good, Vincent. Very good.
No,
What is
I
this?
am not the Cheetos.
Cheetos.
Crunchy additions.
Crunch. Have spoons
And forks.
and forks. What this one?
Mug.
Mug.
More mugs.
Another mug.
More mugs.
Oops! It's magic.
Wow! Bumbuklap.
Oh, it's fudge bar. Dami na yung baon, guys.
Fudgy bar. Wow.
What is this?
Bread.
It's Spanish bread. I know it's bread. What is this?
Pandesal.
Pandesal.
Tanga.
And another fudge bar.
Wow.
Wow!
Wow.
Hanip ka sa sarap. Ang laking nahuli namin, oh. Kita nyo yan, guys. Ah!
Hindi ko chill yun tayo ano, kanta.
Baka nasa bag.
Bag na yun.
Yeah.
Ayan. Ang bayan mo. Ano ba?
3 scoops each. The triple.
Ang damot pa ito ni. Lanong.
Yeah.
Lutuin natin dito sa may. Nagdala kami ng kaldero sa
Which one is my
kalutuan.
coffee, Vincent? This one?
This one, yeah.
Sad, area pa kami ibustiin. Nagkanan na dito.
Madam lang.
Ganun nan.
Okay.
Lagyan na natin ng tubig sa luya. Yan, ready to eat nan. Oh, that's enough. Too much. Yan. 2. Hi. Pagbutin hi. Nagdala di kami ng lutuan. Portable. Yan,
Portable.
magkakape daw sila.
Dapat danon po?
One more. That's enough.
Ba't may bro?
Oh no, we ran out of water.
Ayun na guys. We can...
Where is it?
Tan.
What? Huh? I wanna go.
May scooter mo, J-Chat.
Nandiyan pa yung G-scooter ko.
Oh no! Wait, it's been 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes.
Kape mo na kao. Kape ka pa.
Mommy, is it been 10 minutes yet?
Ang anak is chicken strip mo.
I gave it to the dog. Please.
Kape mo ito.
Oh, please. Oh yes, please.
I-hit ko?
No.
Hit ko to yung tap.
No. Oh yeah, you're so smart.
Of course.
I already think of it, so you're not smart.
Sa mommy's
No. That was my hack.
Sure, ha?
This is our plates. Look,
Wait, this one.
chadrapadas.
No, wait. This one, baby.
Oh,
Nag-flash tape pa yung giant. Bulong ko yata yung naroon.
protection.
Ay, ketchup mo, baby. Oh.
I know, I saw it already.
Sabsaw mo na tape.
How is it not warming it? Ew. Oh yeah, it's warm. Let's flip it on the other side. Since I'm waiting.
Huwag yan sa Pilipinas na dito.
Tick.
Huwag. Sa Pilipinas na malas. Sabi nila.
Walk. That's how we say it.
Hindi, sobrang malas na sana dito sa Canada.
Oh.
Bro, your plate!
Ito na yung plate natin. Ito.
Oh, my plate!
1 minute to cook. 10 minutes ka din.
I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last.
Mommy!
And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back.
Matama luto mo
Oh,
Rams.
Is there
oh.
spring break in Philippines?
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know
Oh,
why,
grabe.
don't know why, don't know why.
Ang laki na nahuli namin, no?
Always feel
Oh my God!
Oh.
Di pa luto, tita.
All I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart
5 more minutes pa. Gutom na ako eh.
What's up? What's
I
up?
have seen many places where the beauty never ends.
Hi, tita. Good morning.
Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh,
Ganon.
'cause of the things
Wow! Pagkapyan na libutan.
Tumas?
Nagtinak na.
Mommy, I'm gonna go check on the crabs.
Okay.
Diba, masarap.
Neymar.
Hmm.
Mga ano na. Datan. Sarap.
Come on guys, let's eat.
places where the beauty
Let's try this, crab na nahuli namin.
Dito sa Barnett Marine Park.
Where's my cook?
different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back.
Like 50 meters pa. Yeah? Yeah.
But I
It's like that strong.
don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, 'cause of the things lucky than I can.
Wow! Payat! Holy cow! I'm doing!
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know
So yun na guys, tapos na. Tapos na kami kumain, tapos na kami mag-crabbing. And then, nakapag ayos na kami and then huwi na kami sa bahay. So, thank you guys for watching and I hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye!